Hello my friend, today I'm going to show you how I make this lovely grilled fish with a roasted plantain, and I'm using sea-beam ice fish. I'm using 4 fish today, and here we come. These are the ingredients: red onions, red bell pepper, and Scotch Bonnet pepper, ginger, and I'm using curry powder, black pepper, salt, grated garlic, and nut cube. And these are the plantain I'm going to be roasting. And I will start by seasoning my fish. So I'm going to clean the fish dry before I season it. So I'll dry the fish first, okay? This fish is already washed and cleaned properly inside out. So I'm drying the water so that it wouldn't make my seasoning watery. I will now put some cuts in the body of the fish to be able to get the seasoning going through inside. Okay, well blended. So I'm gonna let the seasoning go through inside. Okay, so I'll put all my ingredients in the blender, put all the seasoning as well, including the Maggi cube, and blend it. I'm not adding any oil inside because this particular fish is normally very oily. So I'll use that ingredient to massage the body of the fish. Massage it properly inside out. I put my gloves on for starting. Because of the hot pepper in my sauce, if you use your real hand, it might be hot. You can paint it, but when you use your hand, you can actually do a better massage than using the food painting or the food brush. Sorry. I'll do the same on the other side. I'll try to season it properly. Everything, you can even test your seasoning to make sure that there is salt. So season it properly inside out. This I'm going to put it into the oven in a very low heat. It will take up to 40 minutes to get done. And now I've washed my plantain properly. I'm going to now cut it and peel it to roast it as well in a very low heat on the grill. This is a very lovely delicacy. I recommend you add it to your menu. So I'm only going to use 4 ripe plantain. You can use unripe plantain. You can decide to eat it just on its own, or you can eat it with with just salad. I'll put that on the grill as well. Now I'm going to prepare these other ingredients, and I'm not going to blend it to smooth. So I'll add all the ingredients together and start pulling it. I don't want to have a very smooth consistency. I want it to look as if I pound it in a mortar. That is why I'm using this to pull. It's a very handy little helper in the kitchen. So I will now fry it. I started frying without knowing that the video wasn't on. Anyway, so I fried with a bit of onions, and just as I put all of them, I grilled it, all of it, and I fried like that. I didn't put extra onions, okay, because this really tastes nice. Tastes really nice. So you have your sauce ready, your pepper sauce to eat your plantain with, and to add more on the fish if need be. So I brought out my fish, and this is how it looks. Delicious, beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. I tell you, this is, and it wasn't enough for me to put the 4 of them. Actually, there are 4. This is delicious when we tried it. It's nice. This is the roasted plantain and the hot pepper. So I wanted to make this one like this, and drop me a comment, send me some message, ask me some question, and please go to my channel and subscribe to my channel, so that you can, and click the notification button so that you can get more recipe coming every week. God bless you and stay blessed.